The Trump administration is telling us that they are overwhelmed, that there's too much chaos, that there are too many people coming across the border. And frankly, there is chaos, but it is the chaos that has been created by this administration. We are nowhere near the highest level of apprehensions that have been taken by the Border Patrol over the last several decades. So the numbers that we're seeing come in are not the highest numbers that we've seen. And when they say that, it's simply not true. We are seeing a higher number, a higher level of children and young families coming across the border, young mothers and their babies coming across the border, or young children coming across the border, and then some older unaccompanied children. However, we have facilities to take care of them. And as I mentioned earlier, most of these children have family in the United States who can care for them. So the administration currently has 12,000 beds online where they can take care of these children. 3/4 of those beds are in licensed facilities so that we have some assurance that these children can be relatively well cared for in these facilities compared to what they're experiencing in Border Patrol. We currently have approximately 2,000 empty beds in those facilities, and children only need to be in those facilities for a few days, no more than 20 days. So if the administration would simply manage the resources it has, it can move these children in and out of Border Patrol facilities in a matter of hours, in and out of the Office of Refugee Resettlement beds, those facilities, in a matter of days. No more than 20 days is what's allowed by law, and into the homes with their families, where it will cost the taxpayer no money to take care of these children. Keep in mind that these facilities that the administration has set up for these kids is costing the American taxpayer $775 a day, which is an outrageous amount of money for us. Yes, per kid, which is an outrageous amount of money when these children have family in the United States that want to take care of them and are ready to take care of them. All we have to do is let the parents and their families have these children back.
Is the Trump administration, we just have 30 seconds, breaking the law? For example, the Flores Agreement.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. This is why we went to the media, is that they are absolutely breaking the law. They're breaking the law as to the conditions of detention. They're breaking the law as to the number of hours that they can keep the children in Border Patrol facilities. They're breaking the law as far as how long these children are being kept in ORR facilities. They're breaking the law by taking the children away from their families. And they're also breaking the law by transporting them on Texas state highways without the appropriate child seats and infant carriers and, these booster seats that are required by law. Everywhere I look, this administration is breaking the law, and the Border Patrol employees that we talked to said they don't understand why the American people aren't outraged by the mismanagement that they're experiencing.